Pickle? You're gonna eat it and you pour these pickles. Oh my gosh, are you serious? You don't like pickles? I like pickles, but I don't like sweet pickles. Or these sweet pickles. It's raining pickles! From out of the sky. Pickles. You don't need an FY. Okay, your turn. There's only a few left. 9. Whipped cream! Oh.
I think you each should squirt. You can each squirt that in each other's mouth, I think. Upside down.
Oh my god!
Upside down. Okay.
I don't want it.
Let her do it to you.
I'm done. That wasn't my number.
Okay. Oh.
Number 12. See, where are you going? What are these?